This is going to be quick. This is going to be a ham, mushroom, and cheese omelet using olive oil and butter. That way the butter doesn't brown. But if you want that flavor, just use all butter. That's about a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of virgin olive oil. Turning this up, putting the ham and the mushrooms in there. It's always best to cook your mushrooms and not eat them raw. Even though you see them on salad bars raw, you can always Google and find out why. A little Himalayan pink sea salt, just a drop. You know why? The ham has too much salt in it already. Pardon my cold, I need something good for breakfast today. Black pepper, it's already ground up, but it's always best to use freshly ground whole black peppercorns. You can Google that and find out why. See, I do everything wrong, but I know everything. I know what's right. We're going to saute this. I'm not going to waste the film. This will take 2 minutes. And into the, see how everything shrunk? This is about 4 minutes later. And in here is also a little half and half. This is a high flame, and what you do is just push the, let me see if the video is covering everything, yeah? Push this in and let the egg come over there. Pull that in and let the egg go there. Pull that and let the egg go there, and that'll be the last time we do that. Take your cheese, your favorite cheese. I just happen to have a little bag of chopped up Swiss cheese. Now lower the flame. We don't want the outside too brown. Let this set a little, and then we're going to pull this side in, push that side over, and have a lovely omelet. And since we love pepper, we're going to put some more pepper. You don't have to do that. And if you love salt, well, that's your problem. You can put more salt too. Now we allow this to come over and get this up and over. Very low flame. Let's melt the cheese by covering that. That's a cup, excuse me, of diced mushroom stems. I could have used whole mushrooms, but I used them for stuffing. So I used the stems. But you don't have to do that. And that was a cup. If I'm going to have an omelet, I like it filled with the ingredients, not sparsely spread out. It's a large omelet, because this is a main meal for me. I don't have toast with it. And I like it soft too. So this is enough. Was it moved? Yes. Then we put it on the plate. sit down in about 2 minutes and enjoy this. Shut the flame off. Tilt the plate. Tilt the pan. And there you have your beautiful football-shaped, squeeze it in a little, omelet. And that's a big meal. Hope you enjoy it.